Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PagerDuty for incident response workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To start, navigate to the PagerDuty website. Look for the sign up button, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will need to enter your email address in the provided field. After entering your email, click on the Get Started button. Check your email for a verification message from PagerDuty. Open the email and find the verification link. Click on the link to confirm your email address. You will be redirected to a registration form. Fill out the required fields, including your full name and company name. Next, create a strong password that meets the specified requirements. Choose your role within your organization from the drop-down menu. Select your time zone to ensure correct scheduling for alerts. Once you have completed all the fields, click on the Create Account button. After successfully creating your account, you'll be prompted to set up your profile. Upload a profile picture if desired, and provide additional information. Next, you will set up your notification preferences. Choose how you would like to receive alerts, whether via SMS, email, or app notifications. After configuring your notification settings, proceed to set up your incident response team. You can either invite team members or create a new team. To invite team members, enter their email addresses and set their roles. Once your team is set up, you can configure incident response workflows. Navigate to the Incident Management section in the dashboard. Here, you can establish escalation policies and on-call schedules. Define how incidents should be prioritized and who should respond first. Once your workflows are established, save your settings. Now, you are ready to start using PagerDuty for incident response. To test your setup, initiate a mock incident from the dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.